How you doing? Thanks for joining me. So take a look at this. I've been pointing out in video after video some pretty deep stuff. Now take a look. I just did a video with Jada Jackson. It's 38 minutes long, and I've been pointing out the Holy of Holies at the center of the dish. Now take a look at this. Alright. What do you... Jordan asks over here on this other video, everything you know is a lie, this video over here. He asks, Jordan says, what do you think about Uranus? I read a theory that it breaks this curse of being human. Theory? It's clear. The Holy of Holies at the center of the dish, that's called... The astral light is shooting out of there. The ash trailing light shooting out of the black hole sun. It's clear. There's no way to fuck this up. You need to get to your middle six. Every compass points to it. You need to get to Uranus. It's the holy hole at the center of the dish, people. So when you hear rainbow six, middle six, you're going down, all this shit, it's the same story. You want to become an exclamation. Okay, they say you're made out of clay. So what I'm seeing here is as above, so below. I'm seeing right through to the core of reality, people. You want to become an You want to get the cure for being human? You need to get to where every fucking compass points to. The tree of life. Okay, every compass points to it. It's right over there, people. It's a 12-hour flight, and it's just that simple. We would go when the sun spirals inward, and at the 65th parallel, you can see videos where the sun is being tracked 24 hours a day for 3 days straight, like this, as it spirals in and then spirals back out, bringing the seasons. So we would go there at that time. Now, take a look at this. So, the king's most powerful magic is he chisels shit in stone. He has his scribes writing shit on papyrus 24/7, bringing his ideas in his head down onto paper, and he has blood of children spilled on it. And another one that they use is they put their elbows over skull and crossbones, and they just look out and gaze into the thin air, and then they could see into the future and whatnot, because that person is in the astral world, and they're able to see into the astral world simply by doing that. Isn't that fucked up and crazy? So, I get pretty deep in my videos, and I was explaining how Admiral E. Byrd, Richard E. Byrd, that's Richard as in Dick, and E as in everybody, because everybody is bent, like I show you in all your freaking shit. It's all bent and confused, okay? So what I'm telling you is we need to get to Uranus at the center of the dish. Every compass points to it. There's no way to fuck this up, people. How's it going? Thanks for joining me. People have been asking what magnet to use on your food to see that it's magnetic. You're going to use neodymium magnets. Okay, that's the only ones that work. The only ones that are strong enough. And you drop any one of your dry foods on water, and you'll see. It has nothing to do with surface tension. Your food is magnetic. It's got non-bioavailable iron in it. Okay, bioavailable iron would be like a plant draws the iron through the soil, processes it, and you eat the plant. Okay, and that's bioavailable iron. Now here, getting onto the flat earth. In a previous video, somebody just handed me one of these books today, and it's got all these symbols in it. And you see over here the Holy Grail at the center of the dish where every compass points to. You see the sun and the moon place their light into the hole at the center of the dish where every compass points to. And out from that hole comes the astral light, or the astral jet. So try and visualize a black hole that they show you in like pictures that you might find on YouTube. You'll see they show you like an accretion disk and a jet coming out. And what I'm telling you is at the center of the dish where every compass points to is where the Holy Grail is. Okay? And I see this like over and over and over here. It's the center of the dish where every compass points to. That's where we're going to find the fountain of youth. We're going to enter that hole at the center of the dish. Oh, and some really good ones in here. Alright. So what I'm seeing here, again, it's like an accretion disk with a dome over it. There's a hole at the center of the dish where every compass points to. It's very simple. There's no way to mess this up. So when you see as above, so below, that's Jesus right there. That's Jesus. As above, so below. As within, so without. You see one thumb in, one thumb out. Inescapable. Okay. And you see as above, so below. It's the same story. Over and over. One side of a light hole is a black hole. Pretty simple. There's no way to mess it up. It's on every symbol. You can see it here in the Mayans. It's the center of the dish where every compass points to. That's what we're going to go to, people. Now, if you look up the south pointing chariot, you'll see the Chinese are the ones who invented the compass, and you'll see that every compass points south. They flipped everything on you. So when you hear this pole shift, that's like a joke, people. Hold on, there's some good ones in here, some pictures. Okay, every religion is worshiping the sun, and the sun is conscious. You don't have to like it, and you don't have to believe it, but it's true. The sun is conscious. I'm informing you, not at all asking you. I look into the sun and I speak my intent, and I'm informing you that the sun is conscious. At the center of the dish is the Holy Grail. The tree of life comes shooting out at the center of the dish. There's no way to fuck this up, people. Every compass points south. That's why it's South Park. It's the asshole, the rear admiral, because it's the asshole. Okay? It's at the center of the dish. X marks the spot. And like I said, you don't have to like it. The earth is flat. And the yellow brick road is where every compass points to the center of the dish. It's very simple, people. There's no way to mess this up. So, when I see every one of these gods in every religion, you'll see they're all worshiping the sun. There's no way to mess this up. And it's the center of the dish, the Holy of Holies, at the center of the dish, where every compass points to. That's where we're going to find the Holy Grail. And I'm going to scream this out until we get there, because you know what? They rub this shit in your face, but everybody's too fucking stupid to see it. It's like literally fucking retards. That's all I see is the center of the dish. I see like the Holy of Holies, and you think this is as above so below, as within so without. You think that's a satanic symbol? That's because you're fucking retarded, and you know nothing of truth. And I'm informing you that you need to look into the sun without any glasses on and speak your intent. I intend to bring forth heaven on earth. I intend to worship all and exclude none and bring forth heaven on earth. And write it out on a piece of paper and spill your blood on it. Make a video of it that you intend to bring forth heaven on earth. And publish your video right beside the rest of ours under blood over intent. That's because, listen, you guys are all silly human slaves, you know nothing of truth, and I'm informing you, you need to snap the fuck out of your illusion. And I mean, everywhere I turn, looking at flat earth videos, everybody's fucking retarded. Nobody can see the center of the dish where the astral light comes shooting out. It's like I'm the only one making videos, and you silly commenters, that's funny. Listen, I appreciate you guys. Those of you, you have your blood spilt right beside my own, published under blood over intent. Okay, you guys are the ones that have heart. And you Jesus freaks out there. Jesus is the sun, and the sun is conscious. And every day you wait before you speak your intent into the sun makes no fucking sense. You're here to bring forth heaven on earth, and if you're not, then you're here to mine gold. Silly human slaves here to mine gold. How's it going? Thanks for joining me. Take a look at this. I saw this magazine. It's See Bullshit. See that? See Bullshit? With the Zika virus on it. Now take a look at this. If you open up this magazine, you'll see every single page says something at the top. It says, at the top of every page, clearly it says CBS, as in bullshit. But there's one page in the magazine that doesn't say that. It's this one. It says life on top. And what they're telling you is that this is what you're living on, a flat earth plane, and that the sun is a disc. When you put that on your tongue, when you go into the church and you take communion, okay, sorry, disc over it. This is the flat earth plane. You see it's gray because it's transgender. One side of a light hole is a black hole, and it's clearly showing you that Jesus places his light into the hole, and out from that hole comes the green astral light, hits the parabolic mirror and showers down on you.